All right, so we're reviewing for our test, going through all the different basic constructions. I'll do a page at a time on this, and then we'll take a look at how we do and go through these. So basic construction, one of them, bisect an angle. So I'm just going to go through and do all of these bisectors and remind us how to bisect an angle. Anytime we're working with angles, we start off the same way. You want one big curve through the angle. With one like this, it's a very tight angle, so you may want to use an extension. You may want to make your angle bigger. All right, so I got that. And then from each of these points, I want an X out here. You can keep the same measurement or you can change the measurement. It doesn't matter. Sometimes you'll find out that if you don't change the measurement, you end up not being able to get that second point. So now the points I connect are my vertex and that X out there. There we go. Let's do another one. So again, I set up my big arc, and then from there, I go from each of these and again, keep the same measurement or change it. For many times, it doesn't matter. And now I connect from my vertex through the X. For one like this, we're going to bisect this angle. Be careful, it's not bisecting the smaller angle, the acute. It's bisecting that really big angle here. So I'm going to do it this way. I'm going to go through here. It's going to take me around the other side. Oops, like that. And now I'm going to build my X. And here I may want to extend some. In fact, I used a small one to do the big curve. I'm going to use this one to do that just to make sure that I'm off of it. There we go. And now I bisect. If you did the wrong side, extend all the way through. Okay, but you want to bisect that side. And this one. So same thing. I want to do an arc through my line. This is basically doing a perpendicular on a point through a line. Now, if I keep the same measurement, I'm going to show you what happens with the pencil if I keep the same measurement. And this is where we run into danger. I actually end up going through the point. And if I do that, I really can't connect that. So that's where a case where when I see that happening, I go, okay, I need to make a bigger measurement. So I'm going to increase my measurement and do the same over here. And now I've got a point to connect to. You want to be able to have 2 points pretty far away to be able to connect to. Oh, no, I should have bisected that side, but that's the same thing. Okay? So now, since we're talking about angle bisectors, let's do an incenter. An incenter is the angle bisectors. Angle bisector concurrent point. Okay? So you can do all three. I'm only going to do 2 of them because it saves a little time. On the test, if you are asked to do an angle or incenter and you only do 2, that's fine. I'm asking you to find the point, not make everything, and know which point you're finding. So there's one angle bisector. And I'll do the next one in a different color so we can see it a little more clearly. So the next one, I'll come over to C. Doesn't matter which 2 points you do. And now from here, and from there, and I'll draw that angle bisector. And my incenter will be this green dot right there. Okay, so there's the incenter. Okay, page 1 done. Moving on.